Saudi 7241, wind calm, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 23, Saudi 721.
The 7241 apron 121850, goodbye.
Roger, Saudi 721, confirm the sequence again.
I have call sign 7241 for you, contact apron 121850, goodbye.
12185, Saudi 721, bye-bye. Geneva, Saudi 7241, fully ready gate 85 Alpha.
Saudi 7241, QNH 1015, startup and pushback on 12185. Bye.
Roger 2185, bye-bye, Saudi 7241.
Saudi 7241 calling?
Yes, sir. Project hold shows 241. Yes, out.
Hello, Saudi 7241. Report ready.
Roger, Saudi 7241.
Saudi 7241, still able to taxi right into the holding bay?
Ready, Saudi 7241.
Hello, Saudi 7241, line up runway 23 and wait.
Roger, line up runway 23 right, Saudi 7241.
Saudi 7241, tailwind 0100 3 knots, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go for runway 23, Saudi 7241.
Saudi 7241, contact departure 119.525 hour.
19.525, bye-bye, Saudi 7241.